Hello, this is Mrs. Matina. This screencast will show you how to add narration to a scene in Tour Creator. First, open up your tour and go to the scene that you would like to add narration to. Once you find your scene, click on the icon for Add Scene Narration. It looks like a person speaking. At this point here, you're going to select an audio file that is compatible with Tour Creator. This would be an MP3 audio file. Click on that and you should find a folder where your audio files are stored. Once you find your files, simply click on the file and open it. Your audio file will be uploaded and you can click Add to add it to the scene. As you can see here, it is attached to your scene. If you want to play it, you can click on the play icon. I hope you found the screencast helpful.